Hey guys, today, let's learn how to change the iOS 17 control center. If you guys want to go ahead and change the control center that you have on your iOS 17 softwares, it's gonna be pretty easy. All we need to do from here is to go ahead and enter Error Control Center Settings. So tap on your settings option right here, and what I want you to do is to scroll to your control center right here. As you see, we do have a few options to access here, like we show home controls and access within apps. You can also go ahead and change the included controls on here and add some more controls if you want to. And that's how you guys could customize and change your iOS 17 control centers, and basically the orientation or whatever system as you would like to have on your control centers is gonna be up to you. So go ahead and try to edit these by yourselves and see which one works best for your preference. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys did, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.